Love wins daw. Pero kung kwarta ang usapan, gubot ang relasyon. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, a life and wealth advisor, a husband, and proud tatay. And today, I'll share 3 simple ways para malikayan ang away sa kwarta sa mag-asawa. Number 1, be honest about your finances. Ayaw tagu ang utang. Ayaw pud tagu ang savings. Start your relationship with financial transparency. Masakit ang utang kaysa selos. Number 2, set shared goals. Unsay plano ninyo in 1 year or in 5 years? Gusto mo ba og balay? College fund sa anak? Agree as a team, not just as individuals. Number 3, create a budget together. Dili pwede nga ikaw bahala sa imo, ako pod. Every peso should have a purpose. Use a budgeting tool or simply talk every month. Kay kung kamo ang nagplano, kamo pod ang magmalipay. Kung gusto ninyo nga ang inyong love life dili maapektuhan sa money issues, message me today. I can help guide couples toward a healthy, peaceful financial journey. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people. Empowering the future, one family at a time.